Hello, world. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Today, we have on another journey with Mother Nature and its natural creature. So, we'll start with this amphibian and the ant and see how it floats. The moment it was in the air, and this moment the frog was floating inside this water. See this amphibian. So nature creates wonderful creatures. See the fawns and some other aquatic animal can be seen over here also. Some fishes, the ringing of bell, and this amphibian still floating over there. It has not changed its path, but you will find some another creatures like fishes and others which are floating from one place to another. So here you will also find some ample amount of these creatures. See this dancing frog nearby to this, and many fishes you will find over there. The aquatic animals maintain their own discipline because they have to always live in water. So nature has designed them, the system in such a way that they breathe accordingly. See this amphibian and many more fishes you can see. They are floating, just jumping, dancing. So we will not stick to this frog only. We have to capture the view of the rising sun also. Look over there, the mightier, the superior, the supreme power provider of this entire solar system, the sun. So welcome, hello Mr. Sun. Today also I have waited a long for you to get rise. And the rain has occurred so finely that the level of this pond raised. It raised up to the steps and stairs you can see. Earlier the level was not up to this mark. It was very below. Very few amount of water was available when I was there in the month of July. But after July, in the month of August, the rain occurred. See the flying crows, herons, and other birds. The fantastic scenery of Mother Nature. Actually, these attracts my heart, my brain so much that I never miss a single day to get associated with Mother Nature. There's so much power, energy I get from here. That's why in my every video I appeal you people also to get up, wake up early in the morning, to have a fresh oxygen and to feel it, to enjoy it, because it totally depends on us, that how we feel, how we want to live our life, like a conqueror, like an emperor, like a king, or like a common man. It totally depends on us. So see the rising sun, how fine and fantastic it is. The early morning crimson red color, and it's a very fine, and the radiance and the aura that sun has maintained around it is very fantastic. These views emerge inside my brain, my mind, my heart, and maintains a harmony between me and the nature. So it's a very fantastic thing. One must have to gain. So I'm standing on the bank of river and the water is flowing above the surface of this pond, and I am just feeling that I am walking on the surface of this water. So it's a very fantastic thing. See the water bodies. Once again, the steps and the greenery over there, the temple, the chhatris and all. See that bird also. And even you can see the moon and the sun on a single sky in the early morning time. But as the intensity of sun will increase, moon will disappear, although it present, but on the light of sun it will not stand. So day has been assigned to sun, the night has been assigned to moon and the stars. So very fantastic view we are getting. So ladies and gentlemen, just welcome the mighty sun. And the chanting sound of Om you can also hear from the priest of the nearby temple. It also provides a power and support. So it's a time for today's thought, discipline. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, when we maintain the discipline, we can achieve anything. That's my personal experience. And I am feeling it, I am gaining it. For this, I will give you the example of a cylinder, since I observed it firmly. Natural gas or whatever the LPG gas which has been confined and filled into the cylinder in a disciplined way is utilized for cooking purpose and other purposes. But the moment we will release the gas by opening the valve, it will vigorously go into the environment, and there will be no constructive use of that gas because it is randomly moving. So discipline is very much required. To set our boundary line is very much required. So we have to set our boundaries in such a way that we have to work firmly in a disciplined way to get the proper output. So it's not a channel of teaching, just I'm giving the example. So thank you very much. Enjoy the day, enjoy with mother nature, and it has a power to heal everything. So thank you very much for listening me and my channel, and the faith and the love you all are giving is fantastic. So maintain that. Nice to interact with you people. Thank you all. Thank you Almighty. Thank you Mother Nature.